Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. So I'm going to show you how to make gentle cleanser for acne and sensitive skin. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like, comment in the section below and share this video. So if you're watching my video and you haven't yet subscribed, click that red subscribe button and subscribe now to see more of such videos. Comment in the section below if you have subscribed. Comment, subscribe. So we are going to use some hibiscus. So hibiscus is so good because it has the high mucilage content of hibiscus. It enhances the skin's ability to retain moisture, which is a key factor in retaining a youthful complexion. So the natural moisture rich quality of hibiscus helps skin stay hydrated, soft, supple, cooling for longer, keeping dry, dull skin at bay. And it also has powerful anti-aging actives, has magical reputation for increasing elasticity to give a stunning natural youthful boost. So it will also give us the beautiful color. So we've poured in our hot water so that it can infuse well, so that we have that beautiful, color of hibiscus. Then we'll put it aside. And then we are going to use our guar gum. So guar gum is a thickening gum. It helps to emulsify and stabilizing the product and to enhance thickness. It acts as an emulsifier, stabilizer, thickener, moisturizer, softener, and whitening agent. So it increases product viscosity, prevent water loss, restore skin's natural moisture. And it's recommended to use 5 to 2% of guar gum. And we are going to hydrate it with a glycerin. So that is how our hibiscus looks. It has infused so well. So we are going to put that aside. And then we are going to strain it. So hibiscus also has a credible ability to inhibit the activity of the enzymes elastase, which is responsible for breaking down on skin's previous precious elastin. Hibiscus combats the aging process. So at this point, we are going to preserve our hibiscus with Yuxi natural preservative 7K12. This is important. It has broad spectrum efficacy. We don't want any, bacteria to start growing in your products. So we are actually, mixing it so that it is well distributed. Subscribe to our channel, friends, if you haven't, and give this video a like and comment in the section below. So now at this point, we are adding in our disglucoside. So disglucoside is a mild non-ionic surfactant and used in cosmetics formularies, including baby shampoo and in products for people or individual with sensitive skin. So it is the great power. It is mild and has the ability to lather well. So now at this point, we are going to test the pH of our products because, the pH has to be between 5.5. This is very, very important so that it doesn't ruin your skin. So if you find that the pH is more than 5 or 7 going up, you have to make sure that you use citric acid to stabilize the product. So you have to wait at least for 40 seconds. So that is how it is. So that is between 5.5, which is very, very much okay. Yes, 5.5. So subscribe to our channel, friends. If you haven't, give this video a like. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing, because this will really help for YouTube to recommend our videos to a bigger audience so that we can help others who would benefit from this video. And share this video in groups where you think they can benefit. So you can use citric acid to stabilize your product. So we are going to add in our D-panthenol. D-panthenol is used in many skincare products such as facial creams and anti-aging creams. This enhances property of panthenol, improves the texture of your skin and makes it soft, smooth, and supple, and so moisturizing. So D-panthenol is more like a gel, as you can see. Yes, so it looks also jelly. Make sure that you put it in there, mix it a bit so that it's hydrated, it is well combined, as you can see. And make sure that you don't stir too much. So now at this point, we are adding our guar gum. It has hydrated very well. So give it a mix gently so that it is well homogenized, so that you have that homogeneous, texture. So as you can see, I'm not like mixing very much. So we are going to add in our tea tree essential oil. So tea tree essential oil is a popular choice to treating acne because it has, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It calms and it reduces redness. It also reduces swelling. So that is how it looks like, friends. So at this point, we are adding in our hydrolyzed wheat protein. So hydrolyzed wheat protein increases skin firmness. It helps to form a film to retain moisture and provide luminosity. It prevents the skin from drying out and minimize the appearance of wrinkles. It nourishes and keeps the skin so supple and smooth. So that is how our final product looks like. Yes, like it's the following morning. I had to leave it so that it can stabilize. So it's thicker, it's looking nice. So like I did play around with the mix. I did separate the other mixture and blended it with a blender to have that creamy, consistent, creamy face cleanser. So now I've gotten our bottles. So I'm going to use a pump and a jar. So in a jar, I'm going to put the creamy one. Yes, so subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like. So like that beautiful color is from Hibiscus. So you don't need any like toxic ingredients to add color. So like I love that. That is how it looks like. It looks so nice. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. Subscribe to our channel, friends, if you want to be seeing more of such videos. So now I'm transferring the foamy one. As you can see, like it looks so beautiful and that pink color is wow. So like I just did play around, to blend it so that in fact, I did use a handheld blender and I added a bit of gum. So in this case, I didn't use guar gum. I used xanthan gum. So that is how it looks like. It looks so beautiful and perfect. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. So like I had run out of my face cleanser. So like I love formulating my own cleansers. But of course, I'm yet to launch. One day I'm going to launch by God's grace. So like it's so gentle and the foaming was so perfect. Yes. Of course, I didn't try it on my face. I just tried it on my hands just to show you. But of course, I'll be using it for my face. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.